Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So in the previous video we understood about what is cloud computing. In this video we will understand each of the cloud deployments model. So these are the different types of cloud deployments: private, public, community, multi-cloud and hybrid. So what is private cloud? Private cloud means the hardware on which the cloud runs is for only your organization's use. So the next deployment model is public. Public means that you are leveraging cloud services over the open internet using hardware and software that you don't own. Next is community. Community is much the same as public cloud, but it's only accessible to the limited group of organizations or employees. Multi-cloud. Multi-cloud means two or more public or private cloud. Considered this is the most flexible one. Next one is hybrid. Hybrid uses both private and public clouds, allowing you to run workloads on either of the cloud deployments model. You may deploy one, several, or all of these models together. So we will understand about each of the deployment models and its advantages in the separate videos. See you in the next. Thank you.